Hello and welcome to the latest update from the Met Office. It's certainly been a day of contrasts across the country, with frost and fog persisting across parts of Scotland and North East England, whilst wind and rain sweeps into western parts of the country. That wind and rain then becoming widespread overnight. With it, milder air arrives. In fact, temperatures in some locations will rise overnight compared to their daytime values. But you can see just extensive wet and windy weather. The winds reaching gale force around coasts of western Britain, yellow warning in force, and peaking there around 70-mile-per-hour gusts during the early hours of western Scotland, parts of Northern Ireland. Mainly the most exposed areas. Elsewhere it's 45 to 55 mile per hour gusts for western parts of the country. Breezy everywhere though, a lot of cloud cover, the heaviest of the rain moving its way eastwards, easing in many places by the end of the night. But yes, certainly not a frosty or foggy picture as we begin Thursday. Those are the kinds of numbers we'll see first thing. On the thermometers, it's a lot milder compared to recent mornings. Milder than many places will be through Wednesday evening, in fact. Even some sunshine coming through first thing, but the weather stays highly changeable, very boisterous over the next few days. A powerful jet stream out in the Atlantic will drive further weather systems our way, scooping them up to the southwest of the country and basically sending them up from the south. And that's why southern parts of Britain during the next few days will bear the brunt of the heavy and prolonged rainfall, especially South Wales and southwest England. Yellow warning in force for rain during the next few days because rainfall amounts will really mount up. But actually it's a dry start in the west first thing Thursday. Weather fronts clearing from eastern parts of Britain with their cloud and rain. So a damp start, but a mild start for the Midlands, East Anglia and the southeast. Rain easing from here. Showers pushing into western Scotland and Northern Ireland, along with that strong wind only slowly moderating. However, by the afternoon, more bouts of wet weather back into central and southern parts of Britain. Some uncertainty about the details in terms of where we'll see the heaviest outbreak of rain, but certainly for England and Wales, prepare for some rain turning up during the afternoon. Now for Scotland and Northern Ireland, staying largely dry until the sun goes down, just a few showers, best of the sunshine in the north of Scotland, but staying blustery here. A milder day to come for many places compared to Wednesday, double figures milder than average for many parts, but not feeling particularly pleasant where we've got that persistent rain. And the rain pushes its way into northern England, Scotland and Northern Ireland, where it persists for some time during Thursday night. A yellow warning in force there for central and eastern parts of Scotland because, combined with snow melt, of course, that persistent rainfall again could cause localised flooding. Rain warning again worth mentioning there. There will be some drier interludes over the next few days for southern parts of Britain, but yet further bouts of rain, another one turning up by the end of the night into the southeast and East Anglia. For the start of Friday then, another generally mild start to the day, not quite as mild as Thursday morning, but frost and fog free because of the extent of cloud, wind and rain. Now, after a wet start across parts of England and Wales, the rain turns more showery during the day on Friday, and eventually we transition to an afternoon of sunny spells, but also blustery showers. The showers moving into western parts of Scotland, Northern Ireland, western parts of Wales, as well as the southwest. One or two showers and cloudier skies there for eastern England, but some sunshine in between the showers, a break in the wet weather on Friday. Yellow warnings expire by that point as well. However, there are more weather warnings in force for the weekend, mentioning the risk of further flooding because of further bouts of wet weather, especially in the south. So if you've got any travel plans over the next few days into the lead up to Christmas, well, certainly check the forecast, check those weather warnings before you travel, because there will be a lot of wet weather around. It's a case of making the most of any drier interludes in between the rain bands. And you can do that by heading to the website, the app, and of course by following us on social media. Bye-bye.